Hi guys, my name is Marcus. I'm an MTT coach at the Academy of Poker, and today we will be talking about the top 5 tips to crush MTTs. But before we start, let me tell you about our free roll that is coming up in the next time. We will have a free roll giving away $1,000 in cashes there. All you have to do is click the link in the description below so you can register for it. But now, let's go. So, 5 tips. First of all, analyze and plan. What does that mean? So it means you should know where to play, so which room to choose. There are many possibilities, maybe sometimes depending on at which country you live in. You can't play on any sites, so you're restricted to play on some stuff. But yeah, you should just choose the one that's best for you. You should know about the average field size. You should be aware of the average strength of your opponents. So if you're starting yourself, maybe not go to the sites where the average player is pretty good in average. So PokerStars seems to have in average pretty good players. Not other sites do not have, so maybe then go for them. Also, you should know how much time you have to play even. Like, do you only have 2 or 3 hours a day, or can you play maybe 7, 8 hours, really long sessions? So make a working schedule of MTTs that you can use, so you exactly know what you can play, what the buy-in of it is, how much of your bankroll do you even need for that, and can you afford maybe not cashing in one of those events? So that's just for the started. Then again, don't be afraid of short stack play, so push and folding. You should know the charts. We are providing those charts, for example, in our Academy of Poker. Learn them, study them, know them by heart, and stick to those charts. Because in MTTs, you will often be in that area where you have 15 big blinds and less, and you are in the push and fold area, and you should only be able to push and fold. So you should know what to call when somebody shoves or what to push yourself. Also, be aware that you can still lose hands even if you know, oh, he should not have called this or he should not have pushed this. It was a mistake according to the charts. But they maybe still win, so it's gonna happen. Don't get mad. You know you did nothing wrong. You did the right thing, and in the long run, you will make chips with it. Speaking of that, don't get mad. Stay cool. There's variance. There's natural and mental variance include. So you should try to maintain balance throughout your sessions and throughout your play. Just use the strategy you're using normally and yeah, stick to that. So stay focused, stay cool. Like, don't lose your cool. It's just going to infect your play and make your decisions worse, and it's going to cost you money. I know it's really hard when you get a big suck out close to a final table or even at a final table that loses you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars, but it's going to happen. And if you did the right thing, if you made a plus EV play there, it's going to come back in another tournament. I had this experience of a lot of times already, and yeah, you just maybe you need like 2 3 minutes to get your cool back, but it's okay. Uh, it's gonna happen, so stay cool. Also, if you have a big stack and if you know about what you can do, if you have enough skills to beat most of the fields or even all of the players in the field, use it as an advantage and play aggressively, especially post-flop where people make so many mistakes. As you know, we have the charts for you, so pre-flop it might get a bit easier for you, and even also for the opponents, they might know what to do pre-flop, but post-flop, every hand is a different situation. So you will have some advantage with your skills you get throughout our academy. And yeah, you can just use your stack, especially if you're big stacked, of course, but also if you're short stacked, it's easier for you to just put the opponent to the decision and make aggressive plays. It just helps you. And also, when you're in late stage, people are often afraid to play a lot because they might be money scared. If they only play like $2, $3 tournaments and suddenly are in a $10, $20 tournament with thousands of dollars up top and they already are secured their biggest cash ever, they will not play a lot, or they might be afraid to make calls because they think, I'm not sure, ace 3 should be good according to to charts, but yeah, I'm not sure if I can do it. Then you can just use that to your advantage. Uh, and last but not least, only use working techniques. They are called working techniques because they are working, and this gameplay and the known ways of playing, they work. So why change it, right? Never change a running system. If you change the style, you will often lose money because you get out of your comfort zone. So you make some mistakes if there are some players that play really crazy and you try to adjust to it. Sometimes it's better to just stay to your normal game plan and not try to get into or down to his level because it's going to lose you chips and you will make mistakes and it might be costly mistakes. So make sure to stay on your game plan, not change it, not too much. Of course, sometimes a little adjustment here and there is fine, but just be aware that you should stay on your game. This is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our social medias. And yeah, we'll see us in the next video. Goodbye, guys.